Corey with Retro Gamer, and today we're going to try two different things. I bought a mic for the phone that goes in here inside the helmet. Hopefully allows me to talk. I don't know how people do it. The mod on the back of this does not work. But more importantly, we're going to attempt to have Chris Moore and the Mafia flash the Hornet so we can get some more power. It's pricey. He does cash only. But I want to be able to try this and see how talking works and how this little dongle is going to work here. So I need you to call me because it won't, for some reason, the AI doesn't use Find My Phone on this. But yes, today's goal, oh God, how this is going to work. Today's goal is to go over there and get him to flash this thing. Did I have to put more oil in it this morning? Yes. I do have a new camera that I want to be able to use and take videos with, but I need a production crew. If y'all are interested in being on a production crew, let me know. But let's see if this might be the last time this normally starts. I also want to test and see how well the mic does in terms of picking up audio while it's in the helmet. I've got it clipped to a piece of rubber so it kind of sticks up like in front of my eyes like a halo. Because when I tried this before with just the mod without a mic, the exhaust drowned it out. And then if I put it on my thing of my shirt, it's just going to drown it out. Got a bee around here. Welcome to spring, baby. I don't know how well that's going to work. It's like a damn cup. So I usually come this way. I usually cut through there. I don't want to think about it. Good God, it's gorgeous. That's what he's saying. This one's the dirt McGirt. Find out.